Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 371. Disable external calls from server logic. In our last tip, I talked about how, as part of the general availability announcement for server logic, Microsoft announced support for unbound actions. In this tip, I look at the other new feature included in that announcement: the ability to disable external calls. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. The ability to call an external service with server logic is a very powerful feature, but can also introduce some security concerns. Not all organizations are going to want their Power Pages makers to be able to make an external call. Now, this can be governed within the Power Platform Admin Center. On the Power Pages page within the Manage area of the Power Platform Admin Center, you'll find the Governance Controls dropdown. Here, click Disable External Service Calls from Server Logic. For each environment, you can define if server logic can make outbound calls to an external service on a per-site basis. By default, external calls are allowed. If this governance control is configured, you can choose to disable external calls for all sites in the environment, all sites except specific sites, or specific sites. Right now, this governance control is pretty basic. Hopefully in the future, we'll have more options, such as the ability to make the default behavior disabled, so that server logic must be explicitly approved by administrators, or the ability to provide a list of approved external services via a whitelist of domains. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 371 on Disable External Calls from Server Logic useful.